During storm season, the chances of rain, lightning, and sometimes power outages increase. If you lose power, you can count on Tampa Electric to restore your service safely and quickly. We follow a restoration plan with priorities to help the community return to normal. After larger storms, we even recruit crews from other utilities to help restore your power. As soon as conditions are safe, we make sure everything is in working order on the transmission lines leading from our power plants to our substations. This is the assessment phase, which happens in the first 24 to 48 hours after a storm. At the same time, we work to ensure emergency services such as police, fire stations, and hospitals have power. Next, we restore electricity to public shelters, water, and communication utilities. These are essential to a community during an extended outage. Our restoration plan targets areas with larger residential populations first, to get as many customers back in service as fast as possible. Then, our crews fan out into remaining neighborhoods. If you don't see crews in your area, they may be working miles away on a bigger problem affecting your neighborhood. Multiple crews may do different jobs. Some will trim and remove tree limbs, while others repair damage to the lines and poles. Other times, you may see crews and still be the only home on your street without power. When this happens, check your breaker panel to make sure all breakers are on. If they are, there could still be tree limbs on the line to your home, or larger issues such as a damaged transformer. Often, outages can be the result of a downed power line. If you see a wire down, maintain a safe distance away and contact Tampa Electric immediately. Or, if you see a red tag on the line, know that it's already been reported and is scheduled for repair. Rest assured that our crews work around the clock until power is restored to every home and business. And through it all, we do everything we can to keep you up to date about outages in your neighborhood. Visit us at tampaelectric.com/outage, where you can learn the fastest ways to report a power outage. You can also find the latest restoration information on our outage map, which updates every 5 minutes. Or sign up for an email, text, or call from us for updates about your electric service. If we ever have to restore your power after a storm, thank you for your patience.